Dear student, class 8, welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. Chapter 5, Socialization and Development. Socialization is a lifelong, ongoing process of human being. The process continues from birth to death. Individual learn expected behavior through this process and adjust to the society. He attains rules and regulations, values, beliefs, and thus he develops himself and becomes a part of the development of the society. You have learned socialization in class 6 and 7. In this chapter, we will learn enough things like lesson 1, impact of different institution in socialization. Socialization necessary for the proper development of an individual. From birth, a child starts learning different kinds of laws, rules, and regulation of a society. That is called the process of socialization of children. Uh, this chapter focuses on the roles of some institution in the process. Family is the first and main agency for socialization. The feelings of love, emotion. Actually, we express our feelings, emotion in our house, and respect grows in child with the members in a family. The impact of family culture regarding food habit, race, religious practice, and education is reflected on the child. For this reason, the strongest agent of socialization is family. The local society has the most important roles in socialization after the parents. A child grows up by observing his surrounding and learning rules and regulation and behavior. Thus he develops some behavior and becomes familiar with social customs. The gesture posture of the people and values uh, he observes influence his behavior. Different elements of local society. Different elements of a local society includes literary circle, cultural organization, sports club. Actually, where you live, there's a cultural club, music institution, science club, etc. This locally developed organization affects a person's way of thinking, of attitude to life and behavioral pattern. People involve themselves with this in organization to sharpen cognitive aesthetic, and other softer aspects of life by socializing with others in these places. Thus, they develop adaptability in them and become a part of their society. Same as companions. Companions also play important roles in the process of socialization. Children naturally play with their mates when they are in their teens. During this period, they learn many things from their friends. They influence one another through their conversation, behavior, attitude. In this way, they develop fellow feelings, um, cooperation, patience, and qualities of leadership. Educational institutions provide opportunities for children to interact and influence one another. Actually, education institution is one of the uh, process of socialization. This is the tools, we want to say this is the agent. Educational institution have important roles in the process of socialization. Political institution, political parties, their leaders, different kind of movement are also important in socialization. They play their roles by organizing people, increasing their consciousness. So um, Lesson 2, impacts of different factors on socialization. Every human being must learn some rules and regulation, ideals and habits for expected peaceful life. Individual acquires them through socialization. Many factors work for their acquisition. These factors are imitation, suggestion, incorporation, and language. Imitation: when a person exactly copies the work, custom, conduct of another person is called imitation. Actually, following others person activity, and they doing same thing, who are doing others. Children always imitate their elders. They learn language, pronunciation, manners of speaking, manner of speaking through imitation. Even elders often imitate others to make themselves suitably adapt to new and unknown environment. Actually, we are always learning something from others, and imitation process is one of them. Suggestion: this is a type of communication media of process. Proposal or information is sent to other through this process. Children don't have logic or ripeness of knowledge, so they become influenced by suggestion easily. The use of suggestive process is noticed in different sections of society, such as education, politics, industry, commerce. Through this process, one's thoughts and ideas are infused in others, and others' thoughts and ideas are conducted as if they were of one's own. In recent time, in publicity of social work and in scientific enterprise, it is largely used. Incorporation: in infancy, a child does nothing consciously or knowingly. In childhood, he does everything in confusion, but with the growth of years, he appeals knowledge and intelligence and identities, the things necessary for him, and these things become the subject of his incorporation. Children incorporate different toys. Actually, fascination: picture, rhyme books, which are needed for his recreation. Parents and others agree with his well-being. Sometimes he disguises himself as Spider-Man to surprise others. This is one kind of entertainment for children. The limit of this process and tendency of incorporation gradually expands, and social human beings achieve the nature of society. Language is one of the most communication media of human beings. Elements of society culture are transferred through language. Individual express his mind through language. Moreover, language is used to know one another or one's country and society, acquire knowledge about the world, earn education. In fact, language influence personality from childhood. Socialization process, lesson 3, in the village and cities of Bangladesh. We know though about 85% people live in the villages. The social structure of Bangladesh includes both village and city. The socialization process of most of the peoples of this country occurs in rural environment, but the social structure of the city is different from village, and so the process of socialization is different too. Due to the difference between the family structure of village and city, the socialization also different. Socialization process in the villages: children grow up in family among its member and other relatives in rural environment. As a result of an interaction of behaviors of children And of the family members, children learn different qualities like cooperation, tolerance, sympathy, respect. But most of the children in cities grow up in nuclear family, because city life is very busy life, and breaking of joint family, and for the breaking of joint family, the nuclear family, and as a result the nuclear family is erased, and uh, mutual cooperation remains often absent in their behavior in nuclear family. Social and religious institutions influence socialization greatly in the villages. In other words, family, neighbors, communities, same age group, playmate, workplace, respective religious institution, etc., play a role in the socialization of individual. Besides, socialization also take place owing to different elements of folk culture, like festivals, palagan, folk drama, folk music, jatra, puppet show, common behavior, etc. Once upon a time, puppet show, jatra pala, folk drama is a common picture, was the common picture of rural life. But nowadays, people attract to the city's culture. Educational institution is one of the main media for socialization. Moreover, television, cinema, internet also play a role at present. Socialization process in the cities. Family is the first and foremost medium in the process of socialization. City people, family is the first place for children's learning. Educational institution and mass media play a role next to the family. Most of the city people are wistful for development. Workplace, entertainment, sites, religious institution, meeting and association, political institution play important role in socializing city people. Mass people play a strong role in socialization of city people. People get much information through mass media. As a result, city people easily receive new and recent information, knowledge, science about the contemporary society, and they rapidly adapt themselves to it. The role of neighbor in socialization is great both in village and city. The relationship with neighbors is very intimate in villages, but it is not seen in the cities. But city children sometimes become very close to one another by participating in sports and festivals. Children easily learn social behavior if they remain in close contact with neighbors. Admiration for good work and criticism for bad work encourage children to learn social behavior. This is how socialization take place in the children of villages and cities. Actually, whole learning process depends on the social institute like school, family, madrasa, uh, religious institution. But some others people like relatives, like neighbors, these their behavior attract the child and they learn many things from them. And if you notice or admire for their good work and criticize for their bad work, they learn the social behavior, and they um, know which type of behavior actually they have to learn and they have to show. The role of information and communication technology and media in individual socialization. Newspaper, radio, television, cinema are called mass media. They are some main to present news, opinions, entertainments to mass people. On the other hand, information communication technology look communication technology have strong roles in socialization. Newspaper to play significant roles in socialization in developing countries like ours. uh, Newspaper are an effective means of mass education. It helps create true pictures about own society, universe, and uh, broaden insight. It improves our patience, fellow feelings, universal thinking. Radio broadcast not only news but also different types of educational entertaining program. It increases consciousness among mass people and develop cultural insight. Television, actually television is another strong television came to our country in 1964, and television is another strong and popular media all over the world at present. It manipulates human thinking, lifestyle in different way. uh, Television actually uh, uh, television actually shows which type of lifestyle the society or community people leads, and this type of lifestyle they actually broadcast through the drama, through the uh, cinema and other things. It presents various kinds of entertainment program along with informative, educative program, entertain and educate people. Actually, they want to serve a message to the society. Television has huge influence over people and children. This influence can be uh, interpreted both in the negative or positive way. Informative and educative programs can enlighten people if presented in attractive ways. Television can maximize patriotic feelings along new generation by introducing them to their country, culture, aspect, and tradition. It makes the task of socialization easy. Uh, in contrast, cheap entertainments or substandard program cast adverse impact on society, especially on child, and grow up with sick mentality and perversion. Too much addiction to television hampers student studies too. So we have to broadcast and mix uh, educative and constructive type program, because television is a nationally watch uh, all the people of this of the country or community. Cinema, pleasant, decent and educative cinema can be an influential medium for socialization through recreation. It enhances values, humanity, and fellow feelings. On the other hand, vulgar or indecent cinema has adverse impact on human values and taste. It creates negative influence on a society too. In that case, instead of enhancing socialization, it works as a tool to increase crimes and anarchy by destroying values. If we show the vulgarism of more vulgarism, indecent cinema, it affect to the child and they committed a lot of crime like juvenile delinquents, this type of murder, hijacking, lot of criminal activity they adapt and committed. Influence of information and communication technology like electronic mail, electronic commerce, Facebook, Twitter. Globalization and socialization process, modern communication medium has reduced the distance among the countries of the world. So different society cultures influence our life, and this is the globalization. As a result, globalization, the world has become a global village. People are no longer confined to their own society culture, owing to the development of communication media. People have become the citizen of the world now. People travel from one country to the world to another for employment, trade, commerce, medical treatment, education. They travel to collect information. Therefore, he must know about the world. For the same reason, people must adapt themselves to other society culture along with their own. That is why globalization and socialization go side by side. So we can its inventor was Marshall McLuhan, the globalization concept. He invented it, and globalization has impact on education and culture. We are adjusting ourselves to the global society, particularly for global socialization. We exchange mutual options with the society and cultures of many countries of the world. Consequently, we get cooperation of others in different fields. If we learn the international language English, we can overcome language obstacle and come closer to all. So we can say we can say it. Globalization has become able to stretch important strong influence on the socialization of individuals. This changes the life of the people, and we are the citizen of global society. That's all. Thank you so much.